Nice unit, zipper, nice holding case, solid. The tool goes inside like this. Comes with charging cable. No charging brick, but manual and whatnot too. Small unit, easy to carry. Charging port, USB port. No camera, but small unit like this. This is the dongle. Very nice. Power button. This is what the unit looks like. Very nice. Lots of function. This is automatic, not connected to the car right now, so lots of cars, lots of different models. Very nice. Let's do demo. Very fast, very cool, very nice. Do lots of things. Do clear, or no, it's clear DTC. That's good. So lots of features. Based on Android, so you also have TPMS, Chrome File Manager, lots of features, maintenance and service, lots of maintenance things here. Odometer adjustment, TPMS, transfer mode, window, auto start stop, immobilizer. Yeah, lots of little. This is if you save any files, and it's Android, right? So full settings and everything here too. Really good product.